Oh, hi Nene, how you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Look at that color.
I wore it for
What is
you.
this color?
It's like orange. I got it from Poland somewhere. It's some like bright orange shade.
Sweet.
How
You
you
look
been?
lovely. Have you done your hair or what?
I got colored it red.
Yeah, I can see. You look lovely.
Thank you.
What
So do
happened?
you. You look so handsome. I swear to God, with every week you keep getting sexier and sexier. I'm like, I save one photo, then I save another photo. I have a full phone of so many of your photos, just ranging of how hot you keep looking.
With this mustache, you really think so?
You can carry off anything.
I
Trust
like
me.
it. I like it. I think I'm gonna miss it when it goes.
Oh, I guess so.
Stash. So
It looks
masculine.
really
I love it. It's so old school. It's like 80s.
good. Does the missus like it?
No, she said I look like. Well, I can't even say it.
I think I have an idea.
Right?
Yeah. No, but you don't.
Where are you? You're just all over the world all the time.
You notice?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah. I mean,
Now which
pandemic.
city are you in?
Sorry.
Now which city are you in?
I'm in Dubai, but I keep traveling. And because of pandemic, it was a bit of a bummer. I couldn't do my solo traveling. But I did manage to go to Goa a couple of weeks ago, which was really nice. Um,
Goa is hopping, huh? It's like,
yeah. It was really nice. I tried out water surfing, which was so much fun.
huh.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm sure you must have done it, right?
Mm, water surfing. Like, how do water
Surfing, just surfing.
surfing? Like surfing, like
Yeah,
on a surfboard.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I've tried and failed at all these things that require that central core balance. I'm a complete failure. Like skating, skateboarding, surfing. These are all like your balancing your center type of stuff, you know.
yeah, 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 yeah.
I can't do it. I just can't. So the
It's
first
okay.
day, roller skates were a big thing because we used
Mm,
to see them in all these music videos uh, on Channel V and MTV, and it became a big fad. So
mm,
I got a pair of roller skates,
mhm,
and my folks thought I'd really take to it and that it would be really good for me. They always
mm,
tried to get me into sports. Uh,
mm,
so I took it out for the first day, and I fell so many times on my bum that I was
mm.
like, "Do this, I'm out." After
Yeah.
the first day, I didn't do it. So yeah, the same thing with surfing, same thing with anything that requires balance. I'm just all over the place. I'm a mess. Like
I-
ice skating also. I look like such a fool. Skiing also.
I'm sure you don't.
I
But yeah,
try. I try because people are like, oh, once you get the hang of it, it's really fun. But what about the beating that my butt takes while I'm trying to get a hang of it? I'm like, ouch. I'd rather not. I'd rather not. I'll watch. I'll watch. Aap karo, I'll watch.
I know, I know. I can understand.
So
Are
how
you
was
also?
Goa? What all did you do? Goa is like a second home to me, you know. I love it
I
so.
know. I was. That's why I remembered because I know you're quite fond of Goa. So I've been to Goa like a couple of years back, my first time, but I was like for a wellness retreat, so I didn't see much. So this time we actually went all the beaches, more gym,
Oh,
and then
lovely. Did you go to
Arambol.
La Plage?
Yeah, no, I went to La Plage, it was closed, but I went to Thalasimo. It's a Greek restaurant.
Thalassa. Thalassa.
Yes, yes, yes. I did
Oh,
go
how
there. Then I
nice.
went.
Did you go to? It's very disturbing. Huh? Don't put it. Keep it off. This. Did you go to? What's the other? Hilltop, my favorite place.
Yeah, Bagator Hilltop. There's some kind of market or something, no?
Hilltop is this historically famous, I don't know what you want to call it, spot,
Mm,
like a bar or a club or something. And
mm,
they invite all these cool artists, and you know, I love psychedelic trance. So like Goa is literally the birthplace of psychedelic trance, and like Hilltop is like the one of the hubs. All the coolest artists come from all over the world, and they've become so active in the past.
yeah.
I don't know how long, but they've been super active. Like there's somebody cool coming down every weekend now, and like
Mm,
Hilltop on the weekends has become a thing. And I follow them now on Instagram to see all these artists who are coming, and I see all the videos of their gigs and all. So much fun. I'm dying to go. I'm
I can imagine.
literally dying to go and just listen to some of that trance music and stomp it out. You know, I feel like it's like when I'm dancing, it's like it's after you dance for like an hour or 2 hours straight,
Mm.
at some point it's just you're like in a you're literally in a trance. It's like it's like active meditation, you know.
Mm.
And I feel that oneness with the music, and my body feels one with the earth, and it's an amazing feeling. I'm dying to do it. I'm just dying to do it.
Oh. So once the pandemic is over and you can travel, what's the first country you want to go and chill?
That's a good question. I'm dying to go back to the Maldives. I'm
Yeah.
dying to go to London.
Yeah.
I'm dying to go to some of these spots in Europe, like Germany, Portugal, Switzerland.
I bet.
Um, I want to do. I need to go and I need to dance. You know what I mean? I need
Yeah.
to go out in the open to like the mountains or the beach or something, and just dance.
Yeah. Let loose. I bet. I
Let
bet.
it all like it's been a really, what a crazy year and a half we've had. I never thought something like this will happen in my lifetime.
It's pretty
How
crazy
was
and everything.
lockdown for you?
I'm sorry.
How was lockdown for you?
It wasn't so bad. So in Dubai, they implemented lockdown a little later, but it got pretty serious.
Yeah.
But lockdown wasn't too bad. It was pretty good. A lot of self-reflection. You got to work on yourself, some
True.
downtime. So
True.
it was nice. And then, but I think also what happens with the pandemic, there's so much uncertainty. So
Yeah.
all like, I don't know if I'll still have my job tomorrow. It's always this, they
Yeah.
reduce your salary. And so I'm a marketeer in the financial services.
Yeah.
So, they keep losing money. And, being a marketeer, it's not such a lucrative job where like, people are demanding. It's not a necessity. They can outsource that. So it's all a bit unstable. So, you make the best out of it.
Yeah, I understand. It's like that for pretty much everyone, you know. Business is
Mm.
slowed down for everybody that I know. Everybody is in a little bit of a tight spot. But things are looking up,
Yes.
except for Mumbai though. I think this city, those cases seem to be rising.
I
Uh,
know.
but I hope we can get over this soon, that the vaccination drive is indeed successful, and that things can get back to normal, theaters can open up, people
Yeah.
can come out.
I know. I know.
I'm dying to see these movies. I want to see Ruhi, I want to see Sandeep or Pinky Farrar. I want to
Mm.
see Snyder, the Snyder cut, but I don't want to see the Snyder cut at home. I want to see it in IMAX,
Yeah, I bet with the hot popcorn and just the full
Oh,
size.
the reclining seat in IMAX, in the on
Yeah,
the
it's pretty
IMAX
sweet.
screen. How amazing! Like a 4 hour movie. I would love. What a great experience that would be. So what's happening nowadays? Working from home.
Yes, I am working from home. Well, not so much as work. It's a lot of just job searching. I am debating on maybe just coming to New Delhi. We have a house in New Delhi. So maybe just coming down there for a bit and relaxing. I live alone and my brother lives in Abu Dhabi. My dad is retired. So he just does up and down. So maybe all of us just come to New Delhi, spend some time and maybe do a little bit more traveling and maybe wait till promotion so I can meet you, hopefully.
I hope so. Yeah. I don't know
Will there
what
be
the new
promotions
structure
like
will be.
fan meets and all?
I don't know what the new structure for movie promotions might be. Uh,
Uh-huh.
because everything went to null, right? It was like
Yeah.
suddenly you're rethinking the entire structure of what
Mm.
it means to market a film, or promote a film.
Mm.
Does the old template work? Do you have to
Mhm.
innovate? Do you move your energies on digital? I don't
Mhm.
know what it'll be, honestly. I've just been shooting circus nonstop, so I haven't
Yeah.
really had a chance to get really into the marketing of the films, though I will be pretty hands-on
Yeah.
in the coming instances, at least with 83 and Jayesh Bhai Jordar. Uh,
Yeah.
I intend to be pretty hands-on in the marketing of those films.
Mhm.
So let's see. I don't know, but yeah, it would be a great opportunity to do a meet and greet, and I would love to see you again. Your hugs are the best. Uh,
Oh, your hugs are the best. I
where
can't
was
wait.
our last hug? Was in Dubai.
No, I came to London to meet you.
Dubai, yaar.
Nay, September 2019.
After Dubai. So Dubai
Uh-huh.
was second
Feb,
last.
Feb 2019, you had come for some award. Then September 2019, remember you had that great thing in your...
Yeah, that was the one.
And you've spoiled me. I somehow meet you once a year, kuch na kuch karke, and this is the longest time I haven't met you. So after my family, you're one person I have to meet. I'm like, this is not fair. You can't spoil me like this. I have
Let's
to
see,
meet you.
if you come to Delhi, then the chances are better.
Yeah, so either Delhi, Bombay, or Dubai. I'll make it work if possible to meet you. But sorry, this is what I wanted. I miss you. But I'm gonna just bug you a little more. How's Circus going? Are you excited? How's it playing like a double role?
Too good, man. It's like, what fun. I can't tell you. It's like all the comedy all-stars all in one movie together. You've got Johnny Lever, Sanjay Mishra, Siddharth Jadhav, Varun Sharma. It's like everybody is just doing their thing, and they're like, Rohit sir has been making comedies for 15 years now. So he's like truly the master of the genre. It's like, it's just a blast on set. Again, sometimes I need to, like, I have to really control myself in the middle of, so that I don't laugh like literally in the middle of the take and ruin somebody's good take, because it's just happening in front of you and it's like, it's hilarious. It's hilarious. Sometimes I have to go like just to control my laughter,
Wow.
It's too good. Sanjay ji, Johnny ji, it's like, man, I had a moment when Johnny Lever came to set the first day. I was like, my fondest childhood memory was my dad taking me to Bhaidas Hall to watch Johnny sir stand up. And it was just like 3-4 hours of a guy, just a scrawny guy on a mic, just like having like 500-800 people just in splits eating out of the palm of his hand. So for to be in the same movie as him is like me. So I got a little bit emotional that day. I was like, man, what? It's like I'm here on a film set and I'm acting with Johnny Lever. Like, that's big shit. That's big shit. So yeah, Circus has been really good. There's a lot of good people bringing their best energies and all of that put together. I think it's gonna make people laugh, and people could really use a laugh. I think you'll be in splits for the 2.5 hours, and then you'll come out feeling so light. That's the kind of cinematic experience I would like to give to people at this point. Life has been pretty hard for 2 years now.
Yeah.
Just come, enjoy yourself, laugh your heart out, feel light and giddy, and I'm sure the movie is going to deliver that. It's just it's come together really well, really, really well.
Amazing, fantastic! I can't wait to watch it, and it seems like it'll be very different for you with the whole duplicate role and all.
It's yeah, it's something. It's a new challenge, something to think about, because of and then
I can
change, become the other guy, come back. So there's a little bit of that happening.
Amazing, so cool. Oh wow, so exciting. Do you still? I just want to ask you: do you read the messages I send on Twitter? Are they too much for you?
Every day.
Really, you still read your tweets and everything?
Every single thing.
Oh, I thought maybe because you're busy. Acha, even the DMs are not too much now?
All the time.
Yeah.
I don't miss a single one.
Oh, thank you. It makes me feel so happy.
Name, I gotta go.
Okay.
Big hug.
Oh, I miss you so much. Thank you for doing this. I love you. And I love you. And I love you.
I'll see you soon.
Yes.
Give you a crushing hug. And until then, we'll be in touch on Twitter.
I will. Thank you. And I love you. Bye.
Bye.